I'm going to use 5 counters to see if 5 is a prime or a composite number. So I need to see if I can put 5 counters into a square or rectangular arrangement. So my first one that I'm going to go to is like this, because 1 times 5 equals 5, so 1 and 5 are factors of 5. If I try and do it any other way, it doesn't make a rectangle or a square. So 5 is a prime number because I can only do 1 times 5, which is 5. Now I'm going to try with 6 counters. So I can do it this way, which is 1 times 6, which is 6. Try and do it another way now. So here I can do 2 times 3, which is 6. So 6 is a composite number because I can do 1 times 6, which is 6, and 2 times 3, which is 6. So it has more than 2 factors. If I try with 7, I can't do it that way. I can do it one way, which is 1 times 7, which equals 7. So 7 is a prime number because it only has 2 factors, 1 and 7. So if we go back to 5, 5 is a prime number because I can do 1 times 5, which is 5. So 1 and 5 are factors of 5. That's the only way I can make a square or a rectangle with 5 counters. If I go to 6 counters, I can do 1 times 6, which equals 6, and I can also do 2 times 3, which is 6. So 1, 6, 2 and 3 are all factors of 6, so it's a composite number. If I look at 7, the only way that I can make 7 into a rectangle is this way. So I can do 1 times 7, which equals 7. So the factors of 7 are 1 and 7, so 7 is a prime number. So 5 and 7 are prime because they only have 2 factors each, but 6 is a composite number because it has 4 factors, which are 1, 6, 2 and 3.